The TOOLTOP ET15S Professional Thermal Imager is an advanced 3-in-1 device that combines high-resolution thermal imaging, a precise digital multimeter, and a PCB board detector. With a 256 by 192 IR sensor and a 3.5-inch display, this tool is ideal for professionals working in HVAC maintenance, power system inspections, and electronic repairs. One of its standout features is the industrial-grade thermal camera, which captures thermal images at a resolution of 256 by 192 with a 25 Hz refresh rate. The device can detect temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of ±2 degrees Celsius or ±2%. Additionally, it offers 15 different color palettes to enhance image clarity and support various inspection needs. For precise PCB board analysis, the optional macro lens enables detailed close-up observations. The integrated digital multimeter provides high-precision measurements with 19,999 counts and supports various testing modes, including voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and frequency measurements. It features both manual and automatic range options, ensuring flexibility for different applications. A unique waveform visualization function allows users to monitor measurement trends in real time, simplifying fault detection and analysis. For convenience, the TOOLTOP ET15S is equipped with a 3.5-inch IPS display offering a 320 by 480 resolution. The interface is available in 11 languages, making it accessible to users worldwide. The device supports PC software for data transfer and thermal image analysis, ensuring seamless documentation and reporting of results. Its detachable 18,650 lithium-ion battery provides up to 8 hours of continuous operation, and the Type-C USB interface allows for efficient charging and data transfer. With a durable and compact design, the TOOLTOP ET15S is easy to carry and store. The package includes essential accessories such as a USB cable, multimeter probe, storage bag, and an optional macro lens. Whether for professional or industrial use, this thermal imaging multimeter stands out as a powerful and versatile tool for troubleshooting and diagnostics.